Hey everybody, it's your boy Lowe's Trades. Kind of wanted to go over my trade today. So for Nasdaq, I'm in a distribution phase. So I'm not looking to trade it. I'm leaving it alone until we get a trend going. I'm not gonna be trading consolidations anymore, man. It just doesn't work for me. So I'm leaving Nasdaq alone. Moving to US 30, we can see that we have aggressive buying. Price is very bullish, so I'm only looking for buys. I had two demand zones. I had my 4 hour demand zone here off of a pin bar, and then I had this 1 hour demand off of doji. So here's the interesting part: price came, tapped it, shot up. So one of my I would say one of my what's the word, setups, right, or key components of how I'm supposed to trade is I'm supposed to wait for a 5 minute break of structure. Price never gave me a 5 minute break of structure. It just came in, gave me this pin bar, and shot up. Okay. It came to this 4 hour resistance, and at this point in time, I'm like, well, I don't really have any more range. Like, the range is literally from here to here. The range should have been from here to here, but I was never able to enter. By the time I got a 5 minute break of structure, which is right here, I mean, look at that range. It's super small. It wasn't gonna give me the 5 RR or minimum of a 3 RR that I needed. So I decided to just call it a day. It's about to be 10 a.m. I see the price is currently retracing pretty heavy. Has me a little bit surprised to see it retrace kind of deeply like this. But we're going to see. Maybe, I don't know, maybe price comes to this area and I'm able to take a trade to, take it to the top. Like I said, usually the way that I'm looking at it, the range that is the most important to me, that I get either a three minimum of a 3 RR or hopefully a 5 RR, is from that 4 hour high, which is this line right here. So if I can get a 3 RR here or a 5 RR, that would be beautiful. I would be closing 80% of it here, and then I'm gonna let the rest of it run to this uh, daily zone. But for now, I mean, like I said, I already closed my MT4. I turned off my magic keys. Like I said, it's about to be 10. Um, Usually, I stop trading by 11. At 11, there's nothing there for me. I don't really necessarily think there will be anything for me today either. There might be. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave an alarm maybe halfway, and if price gives me price action that it's gonna, they're gonna rally it back up, then I think I will go ahead and give myself one more trade. I've only taken one, and it was a $2 win. Okay, and I took the trade because I opened it right here off of this doji retracement, entered literally around this area. Price came up a little bit, closed it around right here in profit, and I closed it because my risk reward was just garbage. Like, literally, for it to have been a 3 RR, it needed to come all the way up here. I'm like, nah, we're not doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it come down a little lower. I'm gonna probably keep an eye on it, but if by 10:40 I still don't have there's no, I would say, candlestick confirmations that price is gonna continue to go my way, or at least not my way but bullish, I think the smartest thing is to call it a day and give myself another opportunity tomorrow, Tuesday. But all right, guys, I will keep you guys updated, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Today, then catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love is still love, still love, still love is still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and it's still love and it's still love. It's still love, still love, still love. It's still love and it's still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Or even make me feel strong again. We don't just join the party. Just don't wanna, don't need nobody.
All right, guys, we are. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Ended up closing profits right here. So as you've seen earlier in the video, I did add a third position. I'm not really gonna count it because it would have been a 2RR. Really, like, maybe I got a 1-to-1 out of that one, but just to see the extra reward that I was able to get. So almost a 2-to-1 for this position here, and this one right here, I'm pretty sure it's less than 1-to-1. Oh yeah, so close to a 1-to-1. For the profit, we made about 30 bucks today. So roughly, I would say what, like 0.5, a little over 0.5. The reason why I'm closing it, so if I would have let it ran all the way up here, that would have secured a 3RR for this position right here. Not that one, this one right here. It would have been a 3-to-1. But I decided to go ahead and close everything out because it's already about to be 2. And I just don't have the need to let it go further than this. Like, I don't want to be stuck in my trading office, right? My little trading space, waiting for it to reach it, because it might take a couple more hours. Now, granted, maybe 8, 9, 10 happens and boom, it hits it, and I could have had a winner, etc., etc. But I think I'm content with my work for today. I stuck to my plan, and at the end of the day, that is the most important thing that you can do in trading. I stuck to my plan. I had my levels that I was looking at. I said, okay, I'm waiting for price to price came up here. So we had the little rally right here. Another 1 hour right there. We were waiting for price to come to either this hour demand or to come further down to this 4 hour demand and give me a rally up. And yeah, price came to my 1 hour demand. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a note for this, specifically the doji demand, just because this was pretty beautiful. The fact that it, just look at that, it hit it, gave me a pin bar. So it came down, it gave me a pin bar, and then just skyrocket out of here, man. And granted, I wish I could have been part of this trade, but my confirmations weren't there. It wasn't until this candle right here closed above here that boom, I had a 5 minute break of structure. But this would not have been good for me, man. To have kept this trade open would not have been worth anything. If anything, I would say once price came down here, I could have waited. Potentially, I'm not gonna lie, I could have took this right here and got stopped out down there, then waited again and possibly boom, entered right here. And let's see what my risk to reward would have been. Stop loss below that candle, coming all the way up here. Yeah, see, so we gotta cut a 3-to-1 right there. It could have been a easy 3-to-1 right there, but regardless of the fact, like I said, I'm content, I'm happy. I acknowledge the fact that I was feeling a bit upset because I had missed out on the earlier opportunity, but I didn't enter out of FOMO. I waited for price to give me some kind of pullback to this original candle right here, and I only risked 0.25 until price came a little further, and then when it gave me a confirmation, which was around this area right here, that's when I added that 0.5% onto it. So roughly, I want to say for today, I had running maybe like 1% in combined positions. So yeah, guys, without further ado, it's your boy Los Trades. Peace.